We're solving an exponential equation. Our first strategy is to try to get a common base on both sides. Since we see 3, 27, 9. These are all powers of 3. So we want to rewrite them as 3 raised to a power. Then we'll use properties of exponents to simplify each side of the equation. If there's a power raised to a power, we can multiply the exponents. And if we have base to a power divided by the same base to a power, then we can subtract the exponents. Exponent in the numerator minus exponent in the denominator. Once our equation is written as 3 to a power equals 3 to a power, then we know that the exponents will have to be equal. So we'll set them equal and solve for x. Which in this case, once we set the exponents equal, we'll be solving a linear equation. We can subtract 2x from both sides. Then add 2 to both sides. To get 1 equals x. So our answer is x equals 1.